Alright guys, I'm back here in Ninh Binh and I'm at Hoa Lu, the ancient capital. Used to be the first capital here of Vietnam. I visited this place about a couple of years ago. I'm back here, it's kind of like hazy and wet today and a little bit rainy. We are heading back into the ancient capital. I'm here with some Vietnam friends that I've come from Hanoi with today. It's actually New Year's Day, and my DJ'd last night, finished like 3 a.m. in the morning, and now it's about 7 or 8 a.m. So I'm here with the guys, Vietnam friends, and we're here at Hoa Lu. So looking forward to checking out the ancient capital and seeing what the vibes are like again. But today there isn't much people here, which is really good because of the little bit of drizzle and rain. I think that it's a good thing. When I came here before, it was really busy and packed, and I did fly the fly cam, but here I don't think I'm going to fly the fly cam because of the rain today, but who knows, we will see. Guys, check out this awesome artwork of Hoa Lu and Ninh Binh. It's so huge. Got like caves in the river, the boats. They've even got elephants, yet I haven't seen any elephants around in Vietnam. With the little ducks frolicking over there with the alligators. So quiet here. It's New Year's Day, so I guess it's a good thing that it's quiet. Not many people will be out. I think people will be sleeping from partying last night. These guys are feeding the fish. All the koi. Koi are loving the fish food.
Cẩn thận nhé, cẩn thận không theo nhau.
Now we're going into one of these old houses.
Chúng ta đang dừng chân để tham quan sa bàn tổng thể của khu vực cố đô. Để xin thưa các anh chị là tham quan khu vực cố đô thì mình sẽ thăm hai đền thờ. Ngôi đền thứ nhất là chỗ vị trí lá cờ đấy ạ, đó là đền thờ Vua Đinh Tiên Hoàng. Để các bạn nhìn nhá, chỗ lá cờ đây này.
Some of the friends have gone inside there and checking out the vibes and doing a bit of praying. Anyway, it's a beautiful area, this area here. Got some gardens. Not sure what these trees are. They look really cool. Bit of a stone sculpture. Actually, guys, it is a dragon bed. Does it look like a dragon? Kind of does in a way. Maybe a dragon's buried in there. Into the dragon. Dragon Slayer of the sky. That's a pretty cool little pond. Wonder if there's any fish in there. Oh, there is. I can see some goldfish. Maybe koi just over here. Not sure if you can see them. Just under here. He's a bit shy.
Để tri ân công đức của vua Lê Hoàn. Vua Lê Hoàn được sinh năm 941 và dưới triều Đinh Lê Hoàn giữ một cái chức quan rất là cao.
Alright guys, so this temple here is King Lei's temple. He was like the second king. Now the temple we went to earlier was King Ding's temple. And so basically this is King Lei's temple. And when King Lei died, a new king came in, that was King Li. And then King Li took this whole temple to Hanoi, to Thăng Long. And that's where they set up the capital in Thăng Long in Hanoi. So that's why Hanoi is the capital today. Anyway, enough of kings and queens. We are heading out. I'm hoping we can get some lunch soon. Guys, check out this temple right in the middle of this area here. There's no one around. I'm not quite sure what this temple is, but it's pretty cool. Just in the middle of this area. Bit of a river over there as well. Ah, there we go. It's not in English. Nonetheless, it's a pretty cool temple. Inside Hoa Lu, ancient capital city. Anyway guys, we are gonna head back with the friends. They've gone off somewhere. They've got like a Vietnamese guide. There's no way I can understand her, and she's talking like really fast. I can understand a little, but not too much Vietnamese. But now I'm just checking and seeing that there's quite a lot of tourists that are coming here now. So I think it's pretty good that we left early this morning. I finished DJing 3 a.m. in the morning and then jumped on this bus with the friends at 6 a.m. So I think I've got some red eyes because I'm tired, not because of other substances. Anyway, we are heading back to the bus, I think, and then we're going to head to a river for another river ride. If the weather finds up a little, I might throw up the fly cam. Wonder if there's any fish in here. Anyway guys, heading back to the bus, but lots of tourists now. Check this out. Even got motor taxis. I mean, we've only been here like 30 to 40 minutes, but it's really busy already. You can see all the tourists coming here and checking out the vibes. So I'm glad we came here early. Wow, that's pretty nice. Look at all these flowers here. Bit of a lake as well. Got a little bit of people here already. Alright guys, we are coming up the mountain a little. Not sure what's up here, but we're gonna investigate it anyway. Check out these vibes. It's a good view. Good view of the lake. Wonder what this area is down here. Maybe this is part of a temple fortress or something. Anyway, you'll see a lot of these type rocks and mountains here in Vietnam. There's lots of them, huge amounts of them. I think Vietnam's got the biggest cave in the world, so it's quite amazing. Hello.
Tao hay nói chuyện với cả người nước ngoài. Nói đi. Không biết nói tên là đâu.
Alright guys, we are about to have lunch here in the restaurant. Bao Nam, one of my students. How are you, Bao Nam? I'm fine, good. Bao Nam is one of my students, so I'm here with his parents and a lot more of the other parents. We've come to Ninh Binh for the day on New Year's Day, and this is the menu. So these guys are going to have snake. I've decided to have snake. I'm not really a snake eater. I've decided to have tofu, vegetables, maybe a bit of fries, and rice. No snake, goat. Goat today, goat. So they're not going to eat the snake, they're going to eat the goat. Actually, Ninh Binh is known for lots of goats. You'll see them walking on like the mountains. But anyway, we're going to try some of the goat while they are. And the kids. Looks like they've got the rice wine, shot glasses. Dangerous. I'm going to say I'm allergic to rice wine. Because in Vietnam, they kind of really want you to do like shot for shot. Maybe I'll say I got a headache. This guy getting the rice wine ready. Oh, they want to pour the whole thing in. Dangerous, man. No, lower, sake lower, yes, higher. This is higher rice wine. Just saying how more potent the rice wine is here. If you've never tried Vietnam rice wine, and if you're near guys, say you're sick, because they'll want you to maybe take a shot of these with every person at the table. It's even worse when you're near a football team. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. 100%? 100%? No. 10%. These guys. Now we've got all the food out. Goat, tofu, egg, and even the kids. It's like a feast. And beer.
Con ăn miếng thịt cái
Beer Saigon.
thịt đấy là thịt dê xào.